Mining is one of the toughest industries on Earth. Every day, machines built from hundreds of tons of steel face enormous pressure, heat, and fatigue. In this environment, reliability is everything. Because when equipment stops, production stops. That is why mining operations rely on partners who understand the realities of heavy equipment. That partner is VR Maintenance. Since 1991, VR has specialized in the design, manufacture, refurbishment, and engineering upgrades of bespoke mining equipment attachments to the global mining industry. In 1999, VR Dragline Maintenance was established as a division within the group. The company began with a specialized focus, the repair and rebuild of dragline buckets. Through decades of experience in structural repair and fabrication, that expertise expanded into broader mining support services. Today, the company operates under a new name that reflects its full capability: VR Maintenance. From dragline buckets to excavator attachments, haul truck trays, dozers, graders, and structural components, our teams support the equipment that keeps mining operations moving. For nearly 3 decades, our purpose has remained clear: extend equipment life, enhance performance, support production. Mining attachments endure extreme structural stress. Over time, fatigue, wear, and impact damage becomes unavoidable. VR Maintenance specializes in precision rebuilds that restore structural integrity and extend operational life. Through certified welding techniques, heavy fabrication expertise, and disciplined safety and engineering procedures, our teams restore equipment to perform reliably in demanding mining conditions. Beyond repairs, our VR engineering capability enables performance upgrades and design improvements. Using operational insights, material expertise, and modern engineering tools, VR develops solutions that improve durability, increase efficiency, and extend equipment service life. Mining operations require flexibility and agility. VR Maintenance supports clients through both workshop-based repairs and on-site execution, ensuring work is completed efficiently and downtime is minimized. VR Maintenance restores equipment to perform again under the toughest mining conditions. When equipment returns to site, it must perform safely, reliably, have built-in longevity, and survive under the toughest conditions. Production is make or break when it comes to first responder time and last-mile support expertise. Behind every project is a team of skilled professionals. VR Maintenance combines experienced artisans, technicians, engineers, and project leaders who understand the demands of the mining industry. Our systems align with internationally recognized standards and industry-best practices. Safety, quality, and accountability guides every aspect of our work. As the mining industry evolves, so does VR. Through engineering innovation, skilled craftsmanship, and a commitment to sustainability, we continue improving how mining equipment is repaired, rebuilt, and maintained. Today, under a new name, VR Maintenance continues that legacy, supporting the equipment that keeps mining operations moving. VR Maintenance.